Friends, welcome. We start our masterclass today. Today's topic: why I love volume profile. I think it is one of the most important indicators that you need to know because bull market is here, and it's so important to understand how to take trades during that bull market because, in reality, bigger volatility in most cases leads to bigger stop losses. Most of you that trade quite long enough, you can see that when volatility increase, bigger chance that price take your stop losses and only after that move into your favor. That's a reason why you need a good tool that will show to you powerful areas where you can take trades and make money. What you should do right now, from 1 to 10, write about audio quality. From 1 to 10, share with me about audio quality. Today, I will share with you my favorite indicator that we can use on the crypto market. This indicator will help you identify best key zones, best places to take a trade. I will share with you real trades that we took with our team based on this indicator. I will show you trades into trend direction against a trend. And you will see how that indicator really powerful and why for all of you, you should know it. Also, additional reason why we will cover this indicator because it is free and it is so easy to get it on TradingView and other platforms. Okay, I see that at this moment 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Good, happy to see all of you here, my friends. At this moment, chat, please, from what place do you watch at this moment, this masterclass? What is your location on this beautiful planet? And let's start. Let's go. Yes, let's go. It would be really interesting. Share at this moment where you're from and let's go. I sent once more into our community: Czech Republic, Sri Lanka, Austria, Lithuania. Good. We have half of European Union. Awesome. Okay. We sent notification to every person that had desire to join. Let's go. Why once more volume profile is super useful and why volume profile is the best. Let's cover it today. What would be a structure of this masterclass? First, I will cover with you all the parts of volume profile because you need to know all that name, POC, high volume node, value area high, value area low, what all of this stuff means. Because in order to use it, you need to know what all of this stuff means. After that, I will show to you how to use it in a range market and in a trending market, which we have at this moment. Especially during bull run, it will be one of the best tool to use. And after that, it would be trade examples, my personal trades and trades of my team. Let's go. What is the volume profile and how is it created? Volume profile, it is a special indicator that shows to you where biggest contracts traded. Why is this stuff super useful for us? Because it can see where people buy, sell a lot of coins. On a chart, often you can see volume profile as this stuff. It shows to you horizontal volume. Often such volume will become powerful support and resistance. That's the reason why we use it. How exactly it creates? In every candle, inside of every candle, we have clusters. How many of you know what's clusters? Write plus into a chat and minus if you never saw clusters. Clusters, it is Röntgen or X-ray of your candle. Each candle consists from orders where people buy and sell some coins. In each candle, people buy and sell some coin. When you analyze candles, for example, on TradingView, most of you use TradingView. And on TradingView, you don't have clusters. Clusters, it is what's inside of your candle. In most cases, most of you analyze charts like this one. Write one into a chart if you analyze charts like this. How many of you, friends, at this moment, super important. How many of you used clusters before? If you never used write minus, write plus if you use clusters before. It's really important because you need to understand a source. And when you analyze charts, you analyze like this with candles. But what's inside of your candle, you can see only with clusters. You can see at this moment, example for you, it is a Bitcoin clusters. Have a look how this volume profile creates. Inside each candle, there are coins that people buy and sell. As bigger amount of coins were bought or sold inside of some level, you can see how it creates. We have, for example, this number 4,600. How that volume profile for 1,600 creates? Here we have this cluster inside of this candle where people bought and sold 1,390 plus 1,004 plus 229 plus 800 plus 217 plus 851 and plus 102. And in the end, you will get this number 4,640. At this moment, you can even calculate by yourself. That means you can see as big a volume traded, bigger volume profile would be. I zoomed in for you to see exactly how volume profile creates. Have a look. Where we have lowest volume profile, for example, this one, it only this cluster where 243 coins traded. It is the lowest. The biggest you can see here. Also pay attention at low, for example, this number that were here. This cluster plus this, you have this lower number. From 1 to 10, how for you it's understandable how volume profile creates? Share with me from 1 to 10. You can see clusters and volume profile represent to you the biggest volume traded. On a platform as TradingView, you don't have access to it. They simply create volume profile without giving to you the data, that original data. But still, it is nearly the same. It's good and reliable volume profile on TradingView. You can use it here. Only in small cases, there would be difference. I will show to you in what cases. But they show to you the same data in the end. Okay, let's discuss parts of volume profile. We have POC. POC, it is point of control. POC, it is biggest volume traded inside of some candle. Inside volume profile, my apology. Pay attention. POC here, 48,000 at this level. It is price level where biggest volume were traded. Why that level is important for us? How many of you understand? How many of you don't understand? Write plus if you understand why it's so important for us. Main reason, because people sold and bought a lot of coins inside here, and in the future you will see how point of control will work as a powerful support and resistance. There could be point of control of big range, for example, like here, price for several days here. Sometimes there could be point of control of local ranges. Like point of control could be global and local. As bigger, as better, because that level will work as a powerful support resistance. Another example for you of point of control, like this one, point of control. Price retested point of control, bounced from it. Again, it is a level where biggest amount of coins were traded. As the next important part, it is a high volume node and low volume node. Difference between them, I will show to you in a chart. High volume node, this stuff is super important during bull trend. Because during bull trend, it would be different compared to a range. In a range, often price will move from upper and lower border of volume profile. But during an uptrend, often we will see something like this. We have biggest volume. This big part, it calls high volume node. This big part, it is high volume node. This depth, it is low volume node. This big one, it is high volume node. Why does this stuff matter for you? Because often this volume would work as a local support and resistance during uptrend. I will show to you examples how to use it really soon. Also, value area high, value area low. Many of you that follow me quite long enough, you understand what's value area high, value area low. When you build volume profile, especially when you use it for a range, here you can see a value area high, value area low. In between, it calls value. What's value? It is a place where 70% of volume traded. It means value area high, it is a higher border of that 70% of volume. And value area low, it is lower border of that 70% of volume. And everything what's above or below, it is only 30% of volume traded. This stuff would be super important during range market because it would work just amazing. Okay, at this moment, from 1 to 10, friends, at this moment from 1 to 10, tell me how it's clear for you, these parts of volume profile, because they're really beautiful one. And let's cover some examples for you how to use them. Also, before I invite all of you to join our public Telegram. Remember that on daily basis in Telegram, I shared with you Bitcoin updates. Have a look. Bitcoin updates on daily basis, educational lessons that will help you understand the market, Dogecoin, Ethereum update, BTC analysis. Like I do this stuff nearly on daily basis, and it's 100% free for you. That's why what you do here would be this link. Follow me on Telegram. You just open this link. Let me send you into a chat and join. That would be 100% free for you. Mm-hmm. 9 plus. Friends, if some of you understand it like 9, that's good for a first time. I think with examples, I use 80% value area. Is it a mistake? Remember that trading, it is not a rocket building. You can test, and maybe for you it would be different. You can improve a strategy for yourself. In most cases, on most platforms, value area, it is 70% of a volume. Okay, let's go. Let's cover how to use this stuff. First, as you know, a bull market is coming, and why this stuff would be super useful for us. Even this example we discussed with our community, this example about Bitcoin, it is a local value. Have a look. On Bitcoin, it is a local value that built by volume profile. Pay attention when price in a range, what price did? Value area high, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times price moved around value. Before I share with you examples how to trade it, you just need to understand when we use volume profile in a range market, best what we can do is to take trades above value area high for short and below value area low for long. When you understand that we are in a range market. About trend market, I will show to you other examples how to use it in a trend market within a few minutes. Just be with me and support me with your like on this stream. It's super important. Once more, when you see beautiful value above value area high, it is a place when you look for short trade. What's beauty of value and volume profile? It shows to you clear level where you need to look for a trade, because you can see, Value area high is here. That means above I look for short. Have a look, even this example. Our mentor, Pavel, he is one of our mentors that work with our students. He took quite beautiful trades. And have a look. All of his trades that he took was from local value area high, like Bitcoin today. What he did, Bitcoin today was at value area high, and here he took beautiful short trade on Bitcoin. You can see this one. Entry price 91,800. It was exactly here, 91,800. When you understand that it is a range market, you build volume profile, and above volume profile, you look for short. Below, you look for long. In a second part of the stream, I will share with you additional confirmations, because you need to understand that it is better to have local confirmations when you take trades. And I will show them to you. Coming back to value and what we do with value when price in a range. When price in a range, below value area, low, we look for long. Above, we look for short. Also, even if price in a trend market, often when coin in a trend, they stop for a range. And you can see that most of my plans and signals that I gave to our community, let's cover even most of signals that I give to our community and most of the plans, they based on value and below value, like at this moment, a plan that I shared on Toncoin. Let's cover previous plan on Toncoin. You can see it was Thursday, 14th of November. I shared this plan. With our community to take long, and why I chose this key zone, because it was below value area low, and during uptrend, price often create a range, and at that range low, it is the best place to take entry for continue of that uptrend. That's why you can use it as for local trades, because some of you like scalping. By the way, how many of you like scalping strategies? Write plus at this moment into a chart if you like scalping. For scalping strategies, you have so many opportunities to take trades above value area low, value area high. It is for scalping. But you need to understand that market consists, we have rise, range, rise, and after that additional range, additional we have waves that price use. And during uptrend, below value area low, it is your golden place for long. And after that, you can see, and after that, where's that beautiful Toncoin? Yeah, and Toncoin started rising, especially on weekends. You can see this one. I shared the plan when price was here. They retested this value area low. They bounced a few ticks before my limit order and started rise. That's the reason why you need that value. Even a range during uptrend, it could be a stop before price continue rising. Which time frame is the best? I use, it depends what exactly you would like to do. For swing trading, it is good to use 1 hour, 30 minutes when you do swing trades. When you do scalping, you can go to 15 minutes. When you take position, when you open position for quite long period of time, better than you open 4 hour time frame. For swing, 1 hour maybe is the best. Okay, let's go on. You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Also, pay attention on this beautiful value. Sometimes you can see that price, they broke value, and pay attention. They broke it quite a lot. And that's the reason why you will need additional confirmation. I highly advise to all of you, when you use such value, you need to have additional confirmations. I will show to you based on real examples. How to use it in a trend market. Friends, at this moment, question for you. What should we do at this moment? Should we cover examples for a range and after cover trend market and examples to a trend market? It is a first option. Or second option, we do theory about trend market and after that cover all examples together. Vote what's better for you, first or second, one or two. And support me with your like and subscription. Even this example, again, Pavel took this beautiful Dogecoin short, and what he did, after price finishes this pump at local value area high, you can see what he did. Local value area high on Dogecoin, he took beautiful short trade. When you understand even trend is powerful, but you understand that trend is over, you can see that value area shows to you a clear key zone where you need to look for a trade, because you understand above value area high, it is your short zone. Below value area low, it is a place where you need to look for long trades. Okay, I can see 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, let's cover how to use it in a trending market. How to use it in a trending market. And after that, I will cover for you different examples and trades that we took with our community. In a trending market, major difference between range market, you use this value area to take trades for long. If you take trades against a trend, they must be super small. That's major difference. Because when price in a range, your goals could be until next value area low, or you take a trade until value area high. You take a trade until value area low. That's a difference. But when you are in a trend market, below value area low, it is your golden place for a trade. And you can keep your trades for really long period of time. Against a trend, you can take only super small targets. That's major difference. Let me show to you even example of a trade that I took on Bitcoin. I shared a plan about local short. You can see that on daily basis, I share plans with our community, what to trade. And it was exactly this plan on Bitcoin. It was 13th of November, when price were reaching 91,000 key zone. There I waited for a short, because you can see even this plan that it purely based on volume profile, because you can see here all those volume profiles. If we add volume profile here, it would be like this one. I thought price would move around value and after that continue. And even this short trade, when I took it, it was a trade against a trend. Have a look. Let me take this one. Have a look on this. For a start, I tried to take short here. They took my stop loss. After that, I re-entered and added here. But pay attention that I didn't try to hold my trade until low. What was the major reason? Your thoughts. What was the major reason why I didn't try to hold the trade until all those lows? Beautiful tea. I would like to see some of your thoughts at this moment. Yes, trend is up. And that's the difference between when you use volume profile in a range market and a trend market. Because below I had high volume node and trend is up. Against a trend, your targets must be smaller. Against a trend, targets must be smaller. Only into trend direction, it's possible to keep your trade really long. Marco, about such questions, at the end of masterclass, I will reply to such questions. At this moment, we stick to a point because I don't want to make any mess. Please be with me additional 10, 20 minutes, and I will reply to you. That's why against a trend, your targets must be smaller. Even at this moment, pay attention to this local volume profile. Let's open it. Even this local volume profile. If you would keep your trade like price retested value area high, if you would keep your trade too much, you would get stop losses here. Trades against a trend possible only above value area high and only with smaller targets. Even this, pay attention this trade. Let me show to you a trade that I took on Ethereum. We took here a trade on Ethereum. Why is it my trade on Ethereum? This one. Have a look, this trade on Ethereum. And this trade also was against a trend. And have a look. Where did I took the trade? Again, above value area high. It was exactly a place for a trade to take short. But again, that short was against a trend. That short was against a trend. And when I took that short against a trend, have a look. What was the additional confirmation? It is order flow. In order flow, we had this significant sell orders. It is a clusters. Inside, in a cluster, someone were selling quite significant numbers of Ethereum. And because of that, we had value area high. We had quite a lot of sell orders. Someone sold a lot of coins. But still, we didn't try to take too much. Only nearly 5% of a drop. And what after that Ethereum did? Massive pullback. And what Ethereum at this moment is doing? Ethereum did not so big drop. Because it is against a trend. Trend is up. Major reason, major difference between up and range market, that your targets could be completely different. Even this, have a look, trend up, here was volume profile. At low of that volume profile, if you would keep your trade, you could keep it until even this moment. But if you take at high, if you would took at high, in best case scenario, this local value area low, that was a place where you would need to get out. And difference between this drop and this potential rise maybe in 5 times bigger. That's major difference. Another example, What also we can do during uptrend. During uptrend, price often could retest previous point of control and previous significant volume. And such volume can work as a powerful support and best place to take entry for before trend continue. At retest of such areas, it is the best place to take entry for trend continue. Again, POFC, beautiful rise, and only after the trend reversed. Okay, let's cover with you more examples. Let's cover with you more examples. I will cover with you only trades that we took with our team because I don't like to discuss some theory when people talk too much and don't show the real trades. We will cover only our real trades that we took with our community. Here, long on Uni. Also, this trade was taken by our teacher, Anastasia. He is a mentor. She is a mentor, my apology. Anastasia is a mentor of our community. And let's cover Uni trades that she took. Have a look. She took beautiful long at value area low. And have a look. Into trend were up. At value area low was her trade. And price, you can see, pumped a lot. That's a difference when you use volume profile into trend direction compared to against a trend. Because into trend direction, potential move much bigger, 21%. But if you would take this value area high against a trend, your potential move was in half, 10% only. But if you would take a trade here, for example, above value area high, even smaller, 8%. That's the difference between taking trades into trend direction and against it. Daniel, we will cover about this stuff. Be with me until additional 10-20 minutes. We will cover a few more examples. And after that, I will reply to friends to all of your questions. At this moment, all of you can share some questions, and when I finish with examples, I would come to your questions. In some cases, in what cases it is the best to use this stuff? Also with order flow. In some cases, my friends, God will give you best trades ever. In some cases, when trend is super strong, price would not retest value area low. Have a look on this example. That's example for you how trading into trend direction sometimes could be different. When trend is really powerful, sometimes the price would not retest value area low. Sometimes price can start move from point of control, from middle of a range. Sometimes price can start a move from literally nothing. What in that case we can do? In that case, together with order flow, we can get best trades ever. Have a look. This trade that I took a few days ago. Actually, we took this trade 2 weeks ago on Ethereum, when this uptrend had started. And what was a major confirmation here? When I gave a signal to our community, have a look, it was a trade that I also shared with our community, because you can see here that all plans that I take short on Ethereum that I shared a few minutes ago. Long, you can see every long on Ethereum I also shared. And have a look, let's cover where it was exactly this plan. It was Wednesday, 6th of November. I shared this plan with our community because value area low, it is a golden place to take long entry during uptrend. But what had happened there? Someone absorbed significant numbers on Ethereum Binance futures. I saw it in the clusters. It's example for you when we have aggressive buyer. And in that case, often price would not retest value area low. In that case, you can take trade even from point of control. And have a look. It was exactly my trade from point of control, VPOC, and price did, have a look from my entry, beautiful. From this entry point until here, price did nearly 10% move. And honestly, we could keep that trade until now. At top, it was 31% of a movement. That's a difference between trend market and range market. When you have a trend market, you could keep your trade for 20, 30, 40%. Against a trend, you take 3, 4, 5% and get out. That's major difference. At this moment, from 1 to 10, share with me how clear difference between uptrend and the range market. Remember that the best what you can do, you can use additional confirmations with those indicators. You don't need to use them alone. In many cases, you will have additional confirmations like today. When Pavel took his short, what was their additional confirmation when he took his short on Bitcoin? There was local absorption by open interest. Like we use additional confirmation with my team, as you can see, clusters, open interest, delta. Like at this moment, I keep my long trade on Ethereum because of this big delta. Here on BTC, Bitcoin reached value area high, and at that moment, there was significant rise of open interest in delta. My God. What's going on? Again, additional confirmations. Why they matter? Because in some cases, you will have very accurate entry point. Have a look at this example for you. Massive rise of open interest while price came into a range. Often, it's a signal of absorption plus biggest delta at high. And what they did, they moved down until this biggest delta. It's a signal that someone big could be liquidated. Even this example here, I shared also a plan for a short. Have a look. Other plan that I shared here. Plans that I shared here. You can see what we had. We had value area high plus open interest absorption. Remember that it is always would be better if you will have key zone plus local confirmation. Local confirmation could be liquidation, trapped open interest, significant clusters, as I shared with you on Ethereum. All this stuff together, they will only make your trade better. You will have smaller stop loss and potential reward in many times more. Friends, Bright Plus, if you're still here and you see all of these examples and you enjoy what you just saw based on this indicator. I want to show you one more example. It is maybe would be the greatest example that you ever would see. Let me find that example, how additionally you can use volume profile, especially into trend direction. I have it here. One second, my friends. Yeah, I have this greatest example how you can use also volume profile. It would be maybe the best example that I ever did. When you clearly understand the trend is up, for example, like here on Ethereum, that's example for you, again, difference between range market and trend market. Have a look. Here, price were in this range, while uptrend, while price were in an uptrend. And it stopped into a range market. Have a look here. Price did local range. You can use such local value area low, as the best place for a trend continue. Because sometimes people try to take to catch a trend by trying to take breakouts, and you can see that often they create ranges, they take stop losses. And here, example for you, how it was maybe the greatest confirmation. Ethereum, Binance Futures, someone bought 16,000 coins here. It was exactly here. Someone bought 16,000 coins at local value area low. You can see it was exactly this local value area low. Here, someone started buying a lot of coins. And you can see how after that, price did massive move. Remember that the best what you can do is to combine together volume profile with significant orders, plus combined with a trend. When you combine all this stuff together, it will work really awesome, and you will have the best trades. You will have the best trades ever that you could possibly take. Here, my stop loss was only 0.4% on this trade. 0.4. I took 1 to 6 risk reward. But at this moment, if I would knew, I would keep it much bigger. Have a look. Nearly 12%. I could take here 1 to 30 risk to reward ratio if I would keep this trade. That's the reason why you need volume profile, because volume profile gives you best area. And after that, if you have additionally with that area powerful confirmation, you can get such trades. Okay, friends. Within few seconds, I will reply to all of your questions. As I promised to you, I will do that session answers and replying to your questions. I would like to share with you a few words about our private club of traders, where on daily basis we share trades, signals, trading plans that will help you make money. What exactly you can get by joining our trading club? First, we share crypto signals with clear stop losses, take profit, and after that we give you update. For example, how it looks like at this moment, Ethereum where to set limit orders, at stop loss, take profit. And about other coins, the same, where to set stop loss, take profit. Also, I share trading plans. It is ideas that really wise to trade, because sometimes I'm not at computer and I can't take a trade. And even this trading plan on Ethereum, price did 30% rise after that. Another plans on Ethereum to take loan from this lower low, price did 20% move from that. Like I share on daily basis such plans, and you can be part of our community. Our traders share their trades, so you can learn their approach and make money. Even this example, where our mentors they share our trades. I personally show trades that I take, and you can easily open a trade of any of a mentor or as a student and analyze what they did really good and what should you improve in order to make money. Like this guy Max took short on SCAT. You can see what indicators he used. For you, it is really good. Like, you can learn a lot of stuff because it is not some theory. Every week we hold live meeting in our trading club to show what better they can do to take better trades. Using our signals, traders secure their profits, they share their results. We're so happy to see it. That's why it for you it would be really useful. You save time. You save time for market analysis. You get clear plans where to take trades. Those strategies, they are proven. We spent years to put them together. You simply can copy planned signals. You can discuss with experienced traders what to do. For you, it is the best place where you can grow. And you need to understand that bull market actually is here. And you need people with who you can discuss what to do, what coins to trade. That's a really useful place to be. How to join? Below the stream, below this live meeting, you open this live meeting and there would be get access to our private club of traders. You open this link here, fill this form. Let me send to you. You fill this form, send to get access. You write your name, you write your email, get access, and after that my team will help you with all details to join. Also, some of you ask about my ATAS template and something like that. For every member of our community, we help to install all soft that we use. It is ATAS, it is other platforms that we use. We help to set it up. And at this moment, it is a bonus for everyone who will join our club. You will get access to our copy trading system. Last month result from our copy members. For all of you, it is a special bonus for those who join. You don't pay additionally for this bonus, but it's accessible only for those who join to our community. You can get more info about copy trading. Here it is info from our people. You can get more information about copy trading by talking to my team. Okay, let's do a part that I promised to you. It is questions and answers to your beautiful questions. Okay. What do you think about using volume footprint instead ATAS clusters? Volume footprint. Maybe volume profile? Volume, it is not footprint, it is volume profile. Honestly, I use volume profile on, I like it to use it both on TradingView and ATAS. I use ATAS because ATAS also is important for other market. Because ATAS I use also for other markets, such as ES 500, NASDAQ, and because of that, we use ATAS together with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. I love to use both of them. Plus, I am partner of ATAS. But for beginners, honestly, this volume profile, if you do not scalp, if you don't scalp, if you don't do scalping, if you do swing trading, for you, volume profile on TradingView is enough. You don't need other stuff. Honestly, it's really shitty on TradingView. Dear my friend, fill the form. My team will show to you best offers that we have at this moment. They do, it's their job. Just fill that form. They will speak with you. They will show you all the options. Because honestly, I didn't speak with clients personally for a big period of time. And I don't know what's price even at this moment. I don't like clusters on TradingView because they really not nice. Why? Main reason why I love clusters in ATAS, because they way accurate. In ATAS you can see every cluster, you can see every place where some volume were traded. And even a trade that I shared with you, let me show you this trade. It was exactly here. Even a place where I took a trade. What was the major reason why I took a trade long here? Because remember I shared with you my beautiful long? And honestly here, I waited for price to retest value area low. But price at that moment didn't take value area low. Price started rise from this significant high volume node. And if I would use trading view, I wouldn't take this trade. Daniel, Yuri, can I get your task workstation AI, please? I need it right now. I can join the community. Need to make money as traded before I join. My friend, we share it to only our community members. It would be unfair for other people that join community. We set up this platform for every community member. You can choose easiest option. Fill the form at this moment. Speak with my team. Maybe you will make some agreement with them, but you need to speak with my team about this stuff. Sir, I had questions here. Which volume profile do you typically prefer for analyzing regarding versus trending markets, daily, weekly, or do you find manual draw profiles more effective? For different markets, you use different profiles because, example for you, if I would trade NASDAQ or if I would trade ES 500, most of the people that I know, they trade those markets, they use daily profiles. Like at this moment, you can see it is a daily NASDAQ. In that case, for NASDAQ, I would use daily. It's so easy in a task. You set up indicator, and here you can get daily profile. You can use TPO, time price opportunity, depends what you like. You can use TPO or you can use volume profile. It's easy to use it here. For that market, if I would do scalping, I would use only daily because why is this important? Because NASDAQ, they have session separation. And many people close their position before night. It's totally different compared to what people do with crypto. In crypto, you do not have any session separation, and you can keep your position for really, really long period of time. Because what's the main difference? Because you don't scare that there would be some gap. Because there could be a situation on like ES 500, you take a trade, but there could be a gap where you will lose like 10% of your account. You don't need it. But in crypto, you can see there is no gaps because market works 24/7. That's a reason why here I use only manual volume profile. I use manual. We teach our students how to use it properly. Those who join our community, we also help. We also teach how to use this manual. Even have a look, most of the plans and signals that I gave in our community, even this plan that Pavel did about Bitcoin, he built this profile manually because he saw this volume accumulation at that area. This long on Ethereum also we built it manually, like Toncoin, Keyzone also manually. Like in each case, we used only manual volume profile. On Solana, Solana, by the way, did retest and after that significant rise. We also built manual, here manual, here manual. Like 90% of all profiles that we build, they are manual. Hi man, can you share your attacks? I replied. I do well when now in a trading market, I take scalps at value area low, but I struggle most when volatility drops and spreads destroy me. Prop firm trading. Don't trade prop firm. Prop firm in most cases they are scam. If you will do good, you will do good on your account, because major goal of every prop firm to build your own account and do it as soon as you can. So what you are saying is that if we are in an uptrend and start a range, then we are at value area high of a range and OE increase, but price is not increasing. It's a good sign of short. Yes. Yes, in some cases, yes. What in some cases? Pavel took short from that. Pavel, his short was today a value area high. Short that he took today. Let me close this. It was value area high plus local open interest absorption, like this one. Open interest absorbed. Also, I shared a short here above value area high, and there also was open interest absorption. What are market imbalance and inefficiency in volume profile? Are they the same? How to use them in trading? They are the same. Honestly, I don't use them as my strategy because I didn't I never used it as my trading strategy. But some people really use such tools. What is market inefficiency? It is when we have imbalances. How to show it to you? Volume. Okay, let's open some coin. Let's open Ethereum. When you use this indicator market profile and TPO, for example, you can choose, let's do daily. We can do daily profile. Here in that profile, we can mark imbalances. Let me show to you why is it imbalances. Initial balance. Okay, let's do better. In TPO, it is better because in TPO, it is single prints in most cases, TPO. No, let's do this one. It would be better to use it here. Daily market profile TPO. In most cases, what's imbalances, it is when you have the single prints, it is when price moved through it really fast. And some people call it as imbalance. Why does this stuff matter? Because it means that we have aggressive seller or aggressive buyer in that places. And often price moves through it really fast. And often after that, in some period of time, often price retested and bounce from it, continue its trend move. In some cases, such imbalances, they could work as a powerful support or resistance. But I personally don't use them. That's why it's not a keystone of my strategy. I like value area high, I like value area low, and all of that stuff. I'm trying to figure out breakout of some of the coins like Fetch or Tau. How can we know when it's time and brew time is over? The best signal that breakout is coming, it is when volume increase, when we have massive increase in volume, and when we have a massive increase in open interest. And there is no like price after that consolidate, like this one. We have massive rise in open interest, we have massive rise in volume, and price didn't do anything. Price stopped creating beautiful range and started higher highs. That's a signal often that there would be breakout. In some cases, let me show to you some other cases that breakout is coming. The best one, of course, it is when we have increase in open interest. When we have increase in open interest with increase in volume, it means that soon there could be breakout. That's the best what we can do with our team. Or we have like this one. Price inside if a range, That's, by the way, example for you how you can use volume profile for breakout. Some people take breakout when price here, but the best to take breakout when price at value area low. And when you have systematically increase in open interest, often it would be a signal that there would be a powerful breakout. Where should we put volume profile? When price start, it's a range. When price start range, that's a moment when you put volume profile. And what difference between VWAP, EMA, and MACD, and when to turn? Man, this stream is not about all that stuff. We can do other stream to discuss it now. I have filled out the form more than once, but no one has reached to me, sir. My friend, my team will reply to you as soon as they can. If you wrote good number, they will come to you. What do you have targets for XRP? Friends, stream isn't about this. Okay, once more, before I summarize, remind you to join our private club where we share signals, trading plans, ideas that will help you understand market and make money on it. Plus, we share, our students share their signals, their trades, and you can copy them, follow them. And bonus at this moment, copy trading system for everyone who joined our community. That's why fill the form below and talk to our team. Let me summarize to all of you about volume profile. Volume profile is a powerful tool that built by order flow. Core inside volume profile, it is a clusters. It is a places where people bought, sold some coins. It is a ranking of every coin. Bigger amount, bigger volume profile means that bigger coins were traded at some price level. In the future, such price level works as a powerful support resistance. In volume profile, we have POC, point of control, biggest traded volume, often works as a powerful support resistance. High volume, low volume node, especially during uptrend, price would consolidate, and those areas could work as a powerful local support resistance, especially during trend market. Value area high, value area low, borders of value where 70% of volume traded. If price in a range market, below value area low, we look for long, above we look for short. If price in a trend market, into trend direction, we could keep our targets bigger. We could try and keep our trades for bigger period of time. Against a trend, we keep only small targets. Only with local confirmation, we can take trade against a trend. In other cases, better to avoid it. That's it, my friends. Use it and you will have beautiful trades where you will make beautiful money. I was happy to see all of you here. I remind you to join our community where on daily basis I share plans and signals, because bull market is coming and you need a help who will show you ideas, opportunities on daily basis. And that's what you can get exactly with us. Have a good time, my friends. Bye.